Module 3. How to buy web push traffic, a checklist to scale your profitable campaigns. Here we're going to be speaking about a must-have list of action items to quickly set up campaigns with web push traffic. Campaigns that you're going to scale on this advertising channel. I wanted to stress that this course is for the advertisers who are already buying traffic on other advertising channels. For the experienced advertisers, it should be quite easy. Let's begin then. Take your best converting offers, high-performance campaigns that you're running with current traffic sources, Google, Facebook, native ads, or pop traffic networks. Copy, paste, and optimize your text and image creatives for web push at format. 30 symbols for the title, 45 symbols for the message. There are 2 images that you need to prepare, preview and main image. The sizes are 192 by 992 pixels for previews, and 492 by 328 pixels for the main image.